Welcome to Hexaguide. Today, I will show you how you can add Cyberpunk 2077 to your Steam library for free. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your PC and search for Cyberpunk 2077 SteamDB. Open the SteamDB link from the results and copy the game's app ID number, which is 1091500. To add the game, you will need Project Lightning. If you don't have it installed yet, make sure to watch my previous video. Open Project Lightning and head over to the Library tab. Paste the app ID into the box and click Add Game. Wait a few moments while Project Lightning processes the request. Once completed, you will see a notification confirming that the game was successfully added to your library. Now open Steam, and as you can see, Cyberpunk 2077 is now visible in your Steam library, ready for you to install and play. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech guides and gaming tutorials.